I started nursing school so that I could take care of my family.
I want to be an accountant, and I want to later get my CPA license and to be able to start up my own firm.
Me and my family decided that we needed a little bit more income to feed our family of 4.
I actually took like dual credit classes in high school, like statistics and everything, and I'm just so excited about it. I love math. I started at university. At the time, it wasn't for me. So I decided to go to Texarkana College. The atmosphere here is so positive. My teachers are great. Like, I love all my instructors. They're really good at their job. They take the time to help you understand the material, even though it can be complicated at times.
The job I had before, it was a very good job, but it just was not putting enough money on the table. We ended up having 2 kids, and we're like, okay, well, I need something that's going to pay a little bit more. So I had a buddy of mine that was actually doing the same thing down in South Texas. He said that if you go and get this degree, he said you will have a very good life for yourself and your family. So as I came in here, I was nervous and scared that I wasn't going to be able to catch on to any of this equipment that I had. So with the instructor's help, they brought you in here, they guided you through, and before you know it, you're in here reading and wiring schematics that can fit in an industrial site or a biomedical machine anywhere in the country.
The twins were born at 25 weeks. They had a 6-month stay in the NICU. The nurses saved my kids' lives over and over. If it wasn't for the nurses, the kids wouldn't be alive. So I have them to thank for a lot. And that's pretty much when I decided that I wanted to get out of the military and go to nursing school. I was in the Navy. I was active duty for 6.5 years, and I decided that the only way I was going to be able to go back to nursing school was to move home so that I could have family support. Every day is chaos. The twins have cerebral palsy. They have therapy every day after school, at home, doctor's appointments. We all eat dinner, get them ready for bed, put them to bed, and then I study.
It's so inspiring that my mom was able to get her bachelor's degree with 4 kids. I'm really doing this because of her, because I know that if she could do it, there's no way that I can't.
This is home. This is home for me. My mom went here, my aunt went here, and my mom, she's the smartest person I know, and I wanted to be a nurse, in the same capacity as she is.
I can do it. I can do 2 more years and I can get done and be successful and be whatever I want to be in life.
We were expecting, like, what if this happened, what if that happened? And so we're like, well, we don't know, we just have to do it because we don't want to ask what if the rest of our life.